Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off suspicious app access on this device. Simply go to the settings. Now scroll down, tap on security and privacy. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option permissions. You can see, tap on this one. Okay, now go to open this tab permissions. So to disable the access for unknown applications, so simply if you want to disable the access for your photos and videos, tap on this one. Then tap on photos. Here you can see the permissions. Allow, always allow all, or allow limited access, don't allow. So if this is a suspicious application, then you have to select the option don't allow. Blocking suspicious apps prevent unauthorized access to your data. This is especially used if you install application outside the Play Store. Okay, so simply in this way we can turn off suspicious app access on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.